Welcome to the PItchavaram mangrove forest, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of India's east coast. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the untouched beauty of this mesmerizing natural wonder. Stretching over an expansive area of 1,100 hectares, the PItchavaram mangrove forest is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. As we delve deeper into the forest, we are greeted by a symphony of sounds, as birds chirp and monkeys swing from tree to tree, showcasing the rich biodiversity that. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey through the PItchavaram mangrove forest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring nature documentaries. Until next time, happy exploring!